Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon. Hope everybody's having a great day. Just gonna give you guys a quick little update here on the F-150. I know I haven't really made too many videos on it. Actually, I think I've only made one, but I'm still currently editing. So, I don't know. I might just leave that one alone, let it be. I had some problems with the footage or whatever, but what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be dropping off the truck with some parts that I got for it to get painted. So my truck is the Velocity Blue, and I actually was gonna paint the OEM XL grill. You know, so some of the little parts I was just gonna paint them, that way they were color matched. But I actually ended up finding an STX grill, stupid cheap, like the cheapest one like I ever found or saw. I liked it. Everything was legit on it. The dude even gave me the box and everything. I got it for 160 bucks. So I really hope it fits. It should. His truck was the exact same as my truck, except his was a STX series. So front end should all be the same and stuff like that. So that should be good. So I'm drop it off at the Ford dealership, get it painted. I got a hook up there, but it should be the truck should come out pretty dang clean after that. And then we're painting the door handles, the mirrors, the bumpers, you know, just color matching the whole thing. Even the little side marker and stuff like that, or whatever you guys call it, the little vent. I just don't know if I want it gloss black or I want it color matched like the truck. So I guess we'll see that one how it comes out. But I also did dismantle the Ford emblem, which I think there's a ton of videos out there for it, but if you guys check out, I forget the video, but I'm gonna link them down below. They had a really good one, literally step by step. You just gotta really just follow each step, and when you're drilling, just make sure you don't drill all the way through, because you can drill the actual emblem. All right, so we made it to the Ford dealership. We're gonna be trading in the truck for one of these F1 Complete 50s. That's just playing. Oh, look at the little blue one like mine. Paint match is gonna look so damn good. So we're on our way right now to the back to find Eric. But I think I'm gonna go say what's up to the paint people, let them know what the heck I'm doing, and then I'll be out. So I'll give you guys an update here in just a second once we find freaking Eric. Is that Eric? What's up, bro?
What up, man?
You ready?
Is it
loading these up or what?
Do it. Loading these up or what? Sure.
Dang, what's that there?
Broke piece of shit. MT82 live.
tomorrow.
Alright, cool. So quick little update. We pulled up earlier after dropping the wife off at work, and they were backed up on a couple cars, so they weren't working on the truck yet. So I left, got a haircut, went home, did some stuff, and now we're back. So we are about to check out the truck. See, they're pretty much painting the grille, and then they're painting the bumper right now. And I think he said he had the mirrors off and stuff like that, so we'll see what kind of progress. He said it should be done today, but obviously they still gotta, you know, let it cure or whatever. I'm not sure, so it should be done by tomorrow, and then we can come pick it up and we should be good. So check it out. Maybe I'll give you guys a sneak peek. We'll see. Alright, cool. So I had to come over here to the shade, a little bit far away from where they're painting the truck. Dang, somebody's stealing car. But yeah, if you guys can see, they're getting ready to lay down some paint on the truck. The bumpers are all like scratched up. The grills tore apart that way because they're only going to be painting the top part, and the mirrors are off as well. So and the handles. So truck should be coming along very nicely, very cool and easy. So hopefully it all works out. But I'm probably gonna drop the side markers, the F-150 things, off to him maybe later next week. That way it's all set up and good to go when they're color matched. I don't know, because I was looking at some carbon fiber ones or these ones that have a light on them. So I'll give you guys an update, but that's the truck. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.